At Naugle Computer Service, we not only repair computers and fix them, we also refurbish them. We also have computers for sale that you can purchase. You can go to my website and click on Naugle Computers for sale. It's at the bottom of the website, and you'll come to this page. We'll not only refurbish any computer, we'll do it for free. You just bring your computer into the shop and we'll take care of it. We do desktops and laptops. We also have some for sale that range anywhere from $50 to $100. You can request any kind of computer and we can get it and fix it. Just bring it to my shop right here. Here's the address. We're Microsoft certified. We're also Better Business Bureau accredited. So we'd be glad to service you for whatever needs that you have. We can do any kind of repair, any kind of upgrade on a desktop or a laptop. If you want to upgrade to Windows 10 or 11, or if you need Office, a new Office edition installed, we can do that. We can provide all the software and the license to do all that. So we are in business to serve you. Bring your computers into Naugle Computer Service. And here is the address again. Thank you very much.